Good evening, duty office. This is duty office here. Can I help you? Is anybody there? This is the duty officer speaking. Can I help you?
Bodolyn, gofynna o'ch bleidyd. Yng 800 yn ariel yn enbwyd. A gwarchan mab dwyfau, dda wrddyd, poed gno yn un tynnog treisig. Trydydd wan wael rhag tân feithyn. O lychwr i lychwr, llich bîl. Llich y ddor i borffor berefyn. Y gymwaned y maws, mir trin, a'r danaeth dear ar y feirin. Lw nid ysgarad, na agwydol.
Mrs. Prosser, are you not worried that the consequence of this may be that you end up living in some funny little museum where you will still speak your own language, but you'll be isolated?
Ond, nid dim rhai na chwildroa.
Dros gant wedi llosgi a'r llosgwyr hefyd awr.
Justice is justice everywhere, but it is different in Wales because we are defending a national identity.
With respect, I think that that's inherent nonsense. That's a form of Welsh apartheid.
Wales not the faith. Wales not the faith.
Dwi'n gwybod beth all fod yn gynyddiad i'r peth, ond mae'n rhaid bod yn barod i wynebu hynny.
Responsi wedi ymffurfio yn symud i digon mawr.
Rwyddiau chwildro yn unig y mae llwyth o.
Oh, is anybody there?
Maybe on Glyndŵr.
Pardon? Can you say that again, please? This is duty officer.
Heno.
I'm sorry, I don't understand you.
Lerpwl.
I'm sorry, I just don't understand you at all. This is duty officer.
Mae'r ymgyrch yn parhau.
Hello? You can speak English, could you? I'm terribly sorry, I just don't understand you at all.